Hello friends, today I will introduce about the GTL smart key and flip key removal tool. This is available in two different size 4.5 and 6. So depend upon the key you can use this tool to open flip key and smart key. So one by one we are checking how to open the flip key and smart key with this tool and how this work going easy. So with this help of this tool you can open smart key and flip key very easy. It will save your time and it will also not damaging the key. Now you can remove this battery and you can install a new battery. So with this way you can open easily these keys. So this is very useful tool to remove flip key and smart key